Yeah, so Rafael Pharmaceutical has been around for almost 15 years, 15, 16 years. And about 18 months ago, we changed the name from Cornerstone to Raphael. So the Raphael name is new, but the company has been around for a long time. And our focus is just orphan indications, and we have 5 of them. We are the only oncology company in the US which has 5 orphan designations in oncology. And they range from ultra-orphan, Burkitt's lymphoma, with less than 1,000 patients, all the way to larger orphan like pancreatic cancer, where there are about 50,000 patients. Because we have a drug which is a cancer metabolism drug, which is different than immuno-oncology drugs or chemotherapeutic drugs. It works very specifically on the cancer cells, and that's why we are able to treat hard-to-treat cancers. It's a cancer metabolism drug. It's a lipoic acid analog, and it works in the TCA cycle. There are 2 targets. It hits in the mitochondria. And with the combination with chemo drugs, it is able to uptake, a faster uptake into the mitochondria, and then is able to specifically target, as we call it, the bad cells or the cancer cells. And that's how the drug works. It's a very simple mechanism, actually. Right. So the 2 furthest programs which are in phase 3 right now globally is the pancreatic and AML. So the pancreatic is the stage 4 metastatic frontline. So you're a naive patient who shows up one day and says, you know, I have a problem, and they find out you are stage 4 already, right? So that's one. And as you know that over the last 23 years, not much has happened. You know, the last drug approved was 13 years ago, Abraxane. And you get about, you know, anywhere from 6 to 11 months. Our drug, PI-613, in combination with standard of care, can double, at least based on the initial trials, and that's why we are in phase 3. And then AML, as you know, is frontline. There are a lot of drugs out there, but relapsed when they relapse. So relapsed second line now, not a whole lot. So that's where we, once again, hard to treat cancer, right? So you have relapsed, hard to treat cancer. So those are the 2 programs. Once again, because of the specificity of the drug, we are able to treat difficult to treat cancers. And the side effect profile, because it's a metabolic drug, it's not a chemo drug, it's not an IO drug, the side effect profile is very benign because of that, you know.